Alright. Big up, talk up TV, you know. Talk up. Boss, anything you want to see. Whole heap of action there. Actor, actress out there. See me I say, whole heap of vibes over there. Like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? And you can find me, Bad Wagon, on Instagram. Bad_wagon265. Right there, so. Now come here.
'Where are you then?
Yeah, no fun.
Oh, you're from long time to see where are you?
So come here and see me forward from you.
Boy, man, they're fast now, you. You can't go on nothing.
John, I tell you, so my first thing, you know, I live out the yard. And think me, I look up all that thing, you know, if I'm much of you.
Hey, hola. My foundation, come in. Come in. Yo, sit down, my fault.
Alright.
Five minutes later.
Yo, why dog take so long, man? John, you hungry, brother? Cool. John, what's that? How cool I take so long, man? John, me hungry for a man, I eat, you know, brother, I'm more full of it. But I eat, you know, for a man, check out. I'm dead for me. Cool! Yo, cool!
But you can say the day, youth.
Dog. How you pull on the dog?
You say the day. What?
How you pull on the dog?
So, I don't say you want none.
John, what you really, brother? Man, come out and drink off all the jinx, brother.
I couldn't share one, you. I don't look at that, no you.
God know you. Can't believe you know you. Brother, I take you as my family, brother. If you share, brother. One little bulla, brother, I can't share bulla for me, brother.
I'm great for a man, my youth.
Brother, man, all I share all one cup soup, brother.
I want to bola for youth. One little bola. I'm just for a man in my youth. I can't come give me.
John, that's something you know real, no youth. You know to share, no, brother.
I'm take 2 bites that done, my youth.
Brother, so what me going to eat, brother?
Yeah, I'm so sad of something. So we get back at him. I'm hungry, lad.
Really, bro.
That tea, that's enough.
Really, bro.
I told you enough to know watch. You are going down. Right now, I'm doing my youth. Right now, sorry, you. Look, come on, I'm start up back at him for that. That's easy right now, that's why you. Because we don't know what things are going on. So you are going.
I'm going to grow, brother. That's not it.
Yo, Juvenile, I want a job.
Yeah, man, I have some money, I want idea, you know.
I want to send this up. When I don't save them out, I get a thing.
Yeah, man, I have some money.
Alright, see you
I'll
see
sit there.
Right, that's my father. Sorry, my father, man. You know. Yo, stop it now. I don't want no man. That can't do me, you see me?
So I see your food, girl. I want to chill with him.
Right now, you don't need no money in the clocks. I want chain. I want watch all. Toothbrush in the back pocket. You don't need no money, man. You scam me, man.
So, boss, my work, boss.
I know. No money I give you, no boss. God know, you know. Try to look for me and give me a thing, you know.
Sure, no, you I lose our fire, brother. I'll come here and do check myself and I'll be me, I go check in idea. And I say, man, I got one food for touch your road, brother.
I know something going on, man. I have to help out you with 7 street sometime, you see me?
Sure, no star. I mean, I did that. I say, I want a money in idea. Sit there, brother. Nothing in I be before. Sit down. This me this father.
I really think man build for them thing, father. You see me?
God know you. Till I lose our fire on the boss. Watch it.
Young man. I said, young man. Boy, you know, hear elders talking. What happened to you? Why you walking with your head on the ground? Why you looking for silver? People don't lose money in this time, you know. It's COVID time.
And I want to say you. But on site up, I say me a forward from me. I tell you say yo man, work me and the pay me nail that you know me feel right now, you know.
You're serious? Well, that sound like slavery, man.
You know, so me feel too, you know.
You know, back in the time, my great ancestors, my great grandmother and grandfathers, they used to be slaves. And to see it happen in this time, they look good. Well, probably it's because of your outfit. You know, you have those big chains and those watch. It look like $1 million for your watch with all those eyes, my boy.
You
But
know.
you have to hold up your head, you understand? And probably it's because of all those fancy gadgets. If you're around, you have to watch your surrounding and your appearance when you go to certain places. You look like you've been going through a lot of things.
Be a thing I go on, boss. Me tell you say, this morning I left up on my auntie yard. You know, my auntie give me one bowl and I'm put in my pocket in the boss.
Okay?
I go down on the road and same time buck up on one of my friend and him say, boy, you nothing now go on and him now, nothing to eat. From morning him not eat. I'm take me one bowl and say yes, me a share between me and him. And the man go in the place and say I go get drinks and things, you know, and go shop.
Yeah.
I see the man come out with drinks and no bowl and me eat half the bowl.
Yeah.
I tell you, say me lose half of him as my friend.
So you're not getting none of the bola?
None of the bowl, I mean even see the bag of the bowl.
Your anti-bola, you're not getting none of?
None of the bowl, not even plastic, me not see.
Don't let your auntie find out, okay?
I tell you, boss.
But that doesn't give you the right to walk with your head on the ground.
I tell you, say, boss, you have a bad day, me fed up.
Fed up. Okay, listen, that's how you go, man. You have to try and think positive in this time, no matter the struggle and the tribulation you're going through. Because you see, if you follow the world, you'll kill yourself.
For true, for real.
Things will happen and you wonder you can't come out. But in spite of all that, I need you to hold your chin up when you're walking, okay?
Yes, my father, I understand what you're saying.
I have been through a lot, you know.
Real, I understand.
And if I should tell you my story,
yeah.
I would talk from now till the morning.
For true, for real. I understand what you're saying, boss. For real.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I just want you to hold up your head when you're doing what you're doing. You look hungry. I have 2 crackers in this bag. I'm going to give it to you. Just 1 month on them. They're Excel for water crackers. They work good with water. So I know it can help you. Hold this, man.
Okay, boss. Thanks.
Yes,
Grateful.
man. Yeah, man. I just 2 of them in there. So eat slow.
Okay, boss.
Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, man. Let's.
Who think they can speak like a Trinidadian? No, Trinidadian.
Yeah.
You see who can do it? Try.
Trinidad.
From Trinidad.
Trinidad.
How Trinidad speak again? Hey, Gary.
Yeah.
The other day I go in my car, boy.
Yeah, what happened,
I go inside here and try to start it up.
What happened,
The car baffling and baffling. I call the mechanic to tell him that. Car behaving bad. I change all the spark plugs inside.
Why?
The car still don't start, boy. I don't know what to do.
So
So all I do, you see, yeah, boy, I change a gasoline filter inside.
you change everything, my boy.
And I change the plugs too. And when I start it, the car sound good, boy. I go down the street, police give me ticket now. I upset. I upset, boy.
Go what, my boy?
Just for checking the car, the speed. They give me ticket.